All right, we are at my, let me take these out. We are at my local Dollar Tree. I want to head in and see what I can find. This Dollar Tree, because we live in a very small town, we only have the one Dollar Tree and we have very limited shopping here. It's kept really well. It's kept really clean, organized, stocked, and I just absolutely love it. It's one of my favorite places to go and hang out. So let's go inside, see what I can find, and hopefully there's some good deals in there. All right, let's go see what we can find. You guys, I get that these are broken, but there's one that's not. How cute is all of this stuff? Super, super adorable. I love all of this stuff. And I love that it's only $1.25. Super cute. And then of course you have your Valentine's Day selection. Love it. They always have so much for all of our different holidays. Check all this stuff out. It's so hard because you want to buy every little thing. So cute. And if you're a bee person, look at these cute little wind chimes. Ugh, I totally love it. And you can even make your own wreath right here. Shut up, you guys. Look at that. These little bee lights. I might have to grab some just because. And then, of course, I'm grabbing flowers. I grabbed these last year, and they definitely worked, so I'm grabbing just a few more. And another part that I love about the Dollar Tree is their beauty section. I have found some really awesome finds here, like these toners, the Freeman and shower. Oh, I might have to grab that as well. Let me grab that. But yeah, their selection has really grown, and I find myself grabbing a lot of this stuff, especially stuff like that. And look at what my local Dollar Tree carries. These Lancet glucose tablets, I mean, they are $3 to $4, but still, how convenient that you can grab that here. Digital thermometers. I'm telling you, the stuff that you can find at the Dollar Tree is incredible. And it's not always the best price. You do have to do price comparisons sometimes, but this, I think, is a really good price. How cute are these resealable snack bags? Oh my gosh. Perfect for the little plant lover. And you could put together a really cute basket with things that you find from the Dollar Tree and spend less than $10. And here's what I discovered. I usually never really go into the food section, but they have A1 sauce for $1.25. Again, I love A1 sauce. I love Kalamata olives, and the fact that you can grab just a small jar just for one person, A1 sauce for one person. Oh my gosh, they have olives for $1.25. I'm about to go grab a cart. I am an olive junkie. This is the mother load right here. But I love that you can grab like little condiments for a fraction of the cost that you can get at your local grocery store, at least for me. So I'm gonna go grab a basket and load up on these olives. All right guys, we're in the home improvement department. Now because I'm so terrible when I paint, I am horrible about listening to paint brushes. So I just come here and I don't feel so guilty when I have to buy a new one. And these work really good. And like I said, there's so much here. I use these on all my chairs. So yeah, lots of good stuff. Oh, this stuff works really well. And then here we go. Here's the wreath section. They've been staying pretty stocked when it comes to the wreath frames, and I am missing it. They've got some floral pieces. Their crafting section is huge now here at the Dollar Tree. I'll take you on a walk, at least here at my Dollar Tree it is. And as you can see, everything's really nice and clean and well kept. We take a lot of pride here with our Dollar Tree. Look at this. I don't know if this works. I do have a couple sheets, but I haven't tried it out just yet. So I'm going to hopefully sometime this weekend. But yeah, there's lots to see. Look at these cute stickers. Oh my goodness. So much stuff. And then of course we have the value section where things are a little bit more, but you can still find a really cute deal. I grabbed this bunny, well, a bunny from here to use in my window for my Easter display. But yeah, it's almost spring. Well, not really. All right, this is my local Dollar Tree, and this is my first go-to place before I hit up any other stores. But like I said, I've been here so much, I know the store like the back of my hand. I know the prices compared to, you know, elsewhere. So yeah, I hope that you love this Dollar Tree haul. Oh my goodness, quick side note right there, because this is the place to go. If you've never set foot in a Dollar Tree, I highly recommend that you do, because there is so much. Look at my little cart. There's so much to be found here for a bargain. All right, guys, so you saw what was inside of my local Dollar Tree. I did grab a whole bunch of olives. $1.25 is a screaming deal. They're normally $2 anywhere else, even at my local grocery outlet. So I stocked up on that. I got the warming face mask for when I get out of the shower, and I had to grab those cute little bee lights. Super, super cute. I have no idea where I'm going to put them, but I've got to find a place. So anyways, that is it. It's a quick little walkthrough of my local Dollar Tree, some of my favorite sections, and I hope you enjoyed it. If so, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe. Don't forget that and that notification bell so you never miss a video. Of course, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I would love to chat with you about the Dollar Tree. Like, what's your favorite item? Do you shop at the Dollar Tree? Do you know like the back of your hand? Do they know you by name in there? All the things. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye, guys.